So it's 6:15. Mukhang liwa-liway. Woke up to this beautiful scenery. Naayos ko na yung mga gamit ko para ready na ako umalis before mag-7. Makakapag-ikot pa ako dito sa south, papuntang Tambobong, and then going to Dasol na. Good morning, guys. So I had a chat with one of the owners ng resort. Ipagkwentuhan sa akin, exchange pleasantries. Nakakatawa. Talking to strangers is one of those things na nagbibigay ng saya and reaching out and feeling good about yourself. It's awesome. Ay, thing. Okay, so may mga vendors pa na. So it's 7 o'clock. I'm heading out, going to Santa Cruz from here, Dasol. Try kong pa rin magtambo mong Philip lang. Morning. Hanggang alas 7 pa rin, pero lakas mga pagkaraoke. Kasi naman pala Golden Wedding Anniversary lang yun. Nice. Okay. Tour. So pag nakahanap ako ng matinong signal ng LTE, check na ako ng mapa. Then from there, alam ko maraming mga ano yun, ups and downs. Na-plot ko na yung aking route dito sa area na to. Nagkaroon ako ng signal, nagsidatingan na rin yung mga messages and notifications ko from last night. So it's 57 kilometers to Santa Cruz. It's good enough. 44 hours siguro yan. Doon ako by lunchtime. Right, early morning gravel. Kajit knows where it's a Hitler cut. May bayad. Patambobong. Hindi, dadaan lang palabas papuntang Dasol. Dito lang dadaan, pero ay okay. Thank you. So pinadaan ako, yung siningalan ng gano'n yung mga sa resort. So walang makita nga lang talaga yung Tambobong Beach, yung what I missed last night, yesterday. It's at the time, I guess. Kilometer bike ride going to the bus station, so yeah, let's do this. Alright, kanina pa ako nag-downhill. Enjoy naman. Wow, what's that? Tambobong Beach. Mag snacks, breakfast. Hindi ako kumain bago malis eh. And hindi rin naman ako nagkakape. So, Gibbs. And I guess that's south for me. Oh, it's the highway already. Nasa highway na ako. Shucks, lumataas na yung araw. That's nice. Okay. Between Pangasinan and Zambales. 5 kilometers, nasa Santa Cruz proper na ako. Yes, you are right. Pinadaan na naman ako ni Kumot sa back roads. At apparently may gravel ulit. Okay lang. Medyo naboboard na ako sa kalsada eh. What? Okay. Alright. Victory na tayo. Dito ako ngayon sa terminal ng Victory dito sa Santa Cruz. And again, maghihintay na naman ako ng bus na saan kakasya yung, or mas maluwag yung estribo nila. Nakakasya yung bike ko. There's a 12 o'clock bus going to Baguio, hoping na malaki nga. Sabi naman ng conductor baka malaki yun going to Baguio, so that's that. Kung wala, 2 o'clock yung susunod, or yung biyahe papuntang Dagupan is mas maluwag. Ngayon magiging issue ko na naman pagdating ko sa Dagupan is maghihintay na naman ako doon na mas malaki na naman na bus na may malaki yung tribo niya. Alright, nagkasya yung aking gamit sa stribo. Bagyo ko. Oops! Sorry. Kasya yung gamit ko. So 12 o'clock. Let's say mga 5-6 hours akong babiyahe. That's good enough. At least aircon. Yay!